And if you are going to have a wife and a girlfriend and you're secretly still in a relationship with both of them, your probation is going to get very difficult, even more difficult. You know why? Because if something goes on in your household where there's an argument, you're cheating, and you're not letting them know, you know what's going to end up happening?
Right here, the judge is basically saying, if your home life is chaos, your probation will become chaos too. This is Legal 101. Probation officers don't care about relationship drama until it becomes a threat to stability. And trust me, they always find out. What would you do in his place? Wife or girlfriend?
They're going to call your probation officer and you're going to be reported for whatever issues are going on in your household. So you're going to have to make a decision so your children are not confused. Either you're going to be with your wife or either you're going to be with a new girlfriend. Controlled substance penalty group 1 grams to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, off the record. Are you all in agreement with his receiving probation?
Yes.
Any objection to the court checking that box? All right, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this agreement you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Cupp, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
I did, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 6 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends community supervision. This will run concurrent with 2024 CC 738359. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 6 years. There be a top evaluation and 200 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
Pending exhibit and attachments, Judge. No objection.
State you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
I did, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you
This is the moment everything becomes real. Once the judge says, I find you guilty, there's no cinematic music, just pressure, responsibility, and consequences. It's wild how quickly a plea deal can turn into life-altering obligations. Do you think he fully understood the weight of that choice?
understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments. Court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. All right, so what's happening with all of the other things that were found in the vehicle, the body armor and the gun?
The gun is part of the plea bargain, Judge, and we need to go down to County 11 after we're finished here as part of the plea.
All right, and also the body armor? Okay, all right, thank you. All right, so do you have any children?
I do.
What are their ages?
18, 17, 15, 12, 1.
And do you have contact with them?
I do.
Do they live with you?
Yes, their grandparents right now.
All right, so that means that you're not taking care of them. It's the grandparents. Are they the paternal or maternal grandparents?
Mother or father?
Father.
Okay. So basically, you continue to have children and they're taking care of them. Is Child Protective Services involved in your life? Where's the mother of the children?
She's not in the picture.
She has a 1-year-old and she's not in the picture.
It's not the same.
All right, so that mother, where is she?
She's actually incarcerated.
All right, so the mother of the 1-year-old is in prison or in jail?
No, she's here.
All right, in jail.
No, she's not. Not the 1-year-old. I have 4 with one with the previous
Okay.
and 1 with my new spouse.
Oh, and so she's here today? Where? Oh, where's the 1-year-old?
She's with family.
All right, so basically the mother's raising children. Yeah. All right, so I never understand. And who is this young person here in the courtroom?
That's my son.
All right, how old are you?
17.
All right, what are you doing with your life? Are you in school or not in school? Graduate? What are you doing? All right, why are people bringing children down here to see somebody who is in jail for drugs like this is somebody that people should be looking up to when he should be in school? Is school out? Is this an excuse day for him to come down and see this person be sentenced? Is he excused from class? Is he missing math? Is he missing science? Is he missing English literature? Why is he here? Why would you bring your child down here to see him be sentenced for committing a crime that your son should not even be around because he's committed a crime? And according to the police report, he's a gang member. This is somebody that you think is the great person to put in your children's life. I don't understand that. He should be at school. He's missing class. Why are people just staring at me like I'm saying something that is unheard of? Do children not go to school anymore? He's getting behind because he's here in court to watch this person get sentenced. And he should be at school studying. What are his grades? Is he doing well in school? Is he doing any extracurricular activities? Did he tell his teacher that he was going to be out because he's here to watch him get sentenced? Is this his biological father? Yeah. So why is he in school? And you should have told him, don't come down here. You need to be in school. I don't understand that. And then what ends up happening? People drop out of school and then they come in and you know what they come to court and tell me? Well, you know, my father's been to prison. My father did drugs. My father's a gang member. And all these mothers are out here holding these men up as paragons of society for their children to look up to. And then having children with them that are one. Knowing their history, I do not understand that. But he's too young to be in court. And if people want to visit him, I know they don't do person-to-person jail visits anymore. You can only do it on phone. That's where he needs to see him. And when you're out of custody, spend time with your children instead of just having them show up and want to be in their life when you're in court and you need them for sympathy. So he can step out of the courtroom. Thank you. So they have you listed as a gang member in here. What's this about?
For a small period of time, I was in a motorcycle club.
No, it says Bandito's gang member.
It's a club, Your Honor.
All right. When's the last time you had employment?
I'm self-employed.
Doing what?
I move mobile homes. I have a trucking company.
All right. And is that registered?
Yes, it's an LLC.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to find you guilty, sentence you to 6 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 8 years, regular reporting by Zoom or in.
And this is the twist nobody saw coming. The The tangled relationship mess is now a legal problem. Judges hate when personal drama becomes probation drama. This is where audience retention spikes, because now it's not just law, it's a full-blown reality show with legal consequences. Who do you think he'll choose, the wife or the girlfriend?
Person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. I'm going to want a gang evaluation done. So, when's the last time you used?
Your Honor, I don't use.
All right, so these drugs that were in the vehicle belong to somebody else?
Yes, they do.
The mother of your children?
Yes, they do.
All right, so, and that's the lady here, another one?
Oh, yeah, my wife,
Oh, so you have your wife and your girlfriend.
my ex-wife, Your Honor.
And so recently you were with your wife.
Long story.
Oh, I know it's a long story. So you're cheating on your wife with your girlfriend or your girlfriend with your wife, and she's here for you. But okay. What's your wife's name?
Jaslyn Pettis.
Jasmine Pettis?
Jaslyn.
Jaslyn. There should be no contact with Jaslyn
I'm
Pettis.
sorry.
Yes.
That's his current,
Oh, that's the current girlfriend.
correct.
Who
The
is your
former
wife?
girl is,
Or is she just your girlfriend?
Jessie Solis.
Is that just your girlfriend or did you all get
That's my
married?
wife. We got married.
All right, so no contact with the wife, Jessie
Solis.
Solis, that he is still currently in a relationship with. That's why it's in her car with her drugs. So tell the girlfriend he's still in a relationship with her. And, you know, that shakes out the way it shakes out. Either she's the number one girlfriend or not. That's what he's doing. So no contact with Jessie Solis, no unsupervised contact with minors. UA hotline. Field visits one time per month until further notice. 200 hours of community service restitution. The court is going to order parenting classes. Once the parenting classes are complete, community service hours will be deemed satisfied. TAP evaluation. In custody, follow results. Is there anything else, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I did, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. And also, this will run concurrent with 2024 CC 738359. All right, we can go off the record. Let me just tell you something. Probation is very difficult. And if you are going to have a wife and a girlfriend and you're secretly still in a relationship with both of them, your probation is going to get very difficult, even more difficult. You know why? Because if something goes on in your household where there's an argument, you're cheating, and you're not letting them know, you know what's going to end up happening? They're going to call your probation officer and you're going to be reported for whatever issues are going on in your household. So you're going to have to make a decision so your children are not confused. Either you're going to be with your wife or either you're going to be with the new girlfriend. For some reason, the new girlfriend decided to hang her moon and her stars on you. So you're going to have to be a better person. You understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In order to be successful in this court, communication is key. Let probation know if you have any issues. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back to court. You understand?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, good luck to you.